Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to study 1 week before finals, easy method. Start by listing every exam topic and assign each to a day with realistic time blocks. Then rank topics by importance and difficulty to guide your order, and use active recall and spaced repetition in each session to solidify memory while keeping sessions short and focused for consistent progress. Use active techniques like solving past papers under timed conditions. Then immediately check answers and review errors for targeted improvement. And try teaching difficult concepts aloud to reveal weak spots. While condensing key ideas into brief summaries, you can scan nightly to reinforce retention and boost confidence before each exam. Balance intense study with self-care by keeping steady sleep each night to lock in learning, eating nourishing meals and staying hydrated to fuel your brain, and fitting in short walks or exercise to lower stress and sharpen focus, all of which increase efficiency so your study time yields better results when you sit down to review.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.